Get ready to witness a technological revolution like never before. Join us as we delve into the mind-blowing capabilities of GPT-5, chatgpt, and discover how this groundbreaking AI model is set to transform the world as we know it. From its unparalleled understanding of human tasks to its integration with robotics and beyond, brace yourself for a glimpse into the future where AI becomes an indispensable part of our everyday lives. Buckle up and prepare to be amazed as we explore the extraordinary potential of GPT-5 in reshaping our world. In the fast-paced world of the internet, few applications have risen as incredibly and as rapidly as ChatGPT. Within a mere 60 days, it amassed over 100 million users, making it one of the fastest-growing platforms in the world. This extraordinary growth is a testament to its immense potential and indicates that it is poised to have a profound impact on the world. Achieving such a massive user base in such a short period means its influence will be felt everywhere. As we look towards the future, it's natural to wonder about future advancements. The upcoming iterations of GPT, such as GPT-4 and GPT-5, promise to bring about fascinating changes. GPT-4 is expected to incorporate both text and image comprehension, while GPT-5 may take it a step further by introducing video modality. Users can leverage videos for data input or even utilize text-to-video capabilities. The potential applications and implications of such advancements are truly exciting. Moreover, OpenAI, the organization behind ChatGPT, has been delving into robotics. They are actively working on developing and integrating real-world robots into our everyday lives. This opens up a new dimension for GPT, as it could interact with and control physical systems through touch. The idea of a touch-enabled GPT is intriguing and raises possibilities we only have seen in science fiction until now. The significance of these advancements cannot be overstated. With each iteration, GPT becomes smarter and more capable. GPT-4 surpasses its predecessor, GPT-3, in terms of intelligence and adds visual understanding to its repertoire. This visual comprehension empowers it with a greater depth of knowledge and understanding. GPT-5, with its ability to excel in exams, will likely become a truly world-class resource. Imagine having access to the expertise of the best lawyers, doctors, or specialists worldwide, regardless of where you are located. This knowledge and assistance could be available to anyone through a simple app. Consider the possibilities afforded by the integration of image and video modalities. Suppose you find yourself in a remote area without access to specialized services. You could simply record a video of the issue and ask GPT to analyze it, seeking an immediate solution. GPT could identify the problem by examining the visual input and provide a tailored solution based on its extensive knowledge base. This capability is already being demonstrated and it is truly remarkable. The potential impact of such functionality is immense, as it could bridge the gap between expertise and accessibility, benefiting people worldwide. In a world where GPT-5 exists, the possible boundaries are expanded even further. Integrating exams into the equation means that GPT-5 could excel in various academic tests and assessments. This implies that educational institutions could leverage GPT-5 to provide top-tier education and evaluation regardless of location or resources. Regardless of their circumstances, students would have access to a tool that can assist them in their learning journey, leading to a more equitable education landscape globally. The ramifications of these advancements are far-reaching. Imagine a future where GPT-5 is integral to everyday life, assisting individuals across various fields, from medicine and law to education and beyond. Its ability to understand and process vast amounts of information and its integration of visual and potentially tactile modalities opens up unprecedented opportunities for innovation and problem solving. The impact of ChatGPT is poised to be transformative. It has potential to revolutionize how we access and utilize knowledge, bridging gaps in expertise and providing valuable insights to people worldwide. The prospect of a future where the collective intelligence of humanity is readily available at our fingertips is both exhilarating and awe-inspiring. With each iteration, ChatGPT paves the way for a brighter, more interconnected future where information knows no bounds and the world becomes a smaller, smarter place. Indeed, the competitive advantage of GPT-4 in interpreting images and executing commands is already evident. Its capability to leverage visual data and perform tasks like website creation demonstrates the vast possibilities. And this is only the fourth iteration of GPT, which means that GPT-5 will undoubtedly be even more superior, especially with the integration of robotics on the horizon. OpenAI's endeavors to merge language models with robotics have the potential to reshape our future. While it is true that certain companies such as Google have already integrated language models into moving robots like Palm E-Robot, the advancements are poised to go even further. The interaction between a 540 billion parameter model and a live environment with the ability to handle adversarial disturbances exemplifies progress. It is a testament to the exciting possibilities that lie ahead, particularly with the involvement of OpenAI, known for its groundbreaking work in artificial intelligence. The anticipation of OpenAI's future releases and advancements in robotics is palpable. As the integration of GPT-5 with autonomous robots becomes a reality, the potential for chatgpt to interact with the environment in a sophisticated manner is immense. The combination of advanced language understanding, visual perception, and robotic autonomy opens up a new realm of possibilities. Imagine a future where ChatGPT-5, with its enhanced capabilities, seamlessly collaborates with autonomous robots to tackle complex tasks. These robots could navigate real-world environments, interact with objects, and even assist with various activities, all while benefiting from the deep knowledge and problem-solving of GPT-5. The potential applications span industries from healthcare and manufacturing to exploration. Consider a scenario where a ChatGPT-5 powered robot is deployed in a disaster-stricken area. It could swiftly assess the situation, identify survivors, and coordinate relief efforts by leveraging its language understanding and visual perception capabilities. The fusion of GPT-5's intelligence with the robot's physical presence and skill could save lives and expedite recovery processes. Additionally, integrating GPT-5 with autonomous robots could revolutionize logistics and customer service industries. Imagine a world where intelligent robots equipped with ChatGPT-5 effortlessly communicate with customers, providing personalized assistance and resolving complex issues. With each interaction, they learn and improve, continuously enhancing the quality of service. The possibilities for ChatGPT-5 and robotic integration are not limited to specific domains. From education and research to entertainment and companionship, the potential is vast. GPT-5's ability to understand and respond to human queries, combined with robots' physical embodiment and versatility, could redefine how we learn, explore, and connect with technology. As these advancements progress, the impact on society will be profound. Ethical considerations, safety protocols, and regulations must be carefully addressed. However, the potential benefits cannot be overlooked. The accessibility of intelligent assistance, the augmentation of human capabilities, and the potential for breakthrough in various fields make this integration a transformative prospect. Excitement and speculation surrounding GPT-5 and the potential for achieving artificial general intelligence, AGI, are making waves. A tweet claiming that GPT-5's training will be completed in December has sparked discussions and debates about AGI and the possibility of reaching a singularity. AGI refers to the ability of a machine to understand and learn any human task with a high degree of accuracy, and it is considered a significant milestone in the AI landscape. GPT-4, the predecessor to GPT-5, has already been regarded by some as a catalyst for AGI. Its advanced capabilities have hinted at the emergence of AGI-like characteristics, prompting further curiosity and anticipation. The research paper you are currently examining, authored by a Microsoft team with extensive expertise, adds fuel to the discussion surrounding AGI. Join us on this captivating journey as we explore how GPT-5 will shape the future. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button and share this video with others who want to be at the forefront of transformative technology. Stay tuned for the next episode as we unveil the untold possibilities of GPT-5.